Hello friends, my name is Shivam and you are watching Tech Trick Hack, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make background music on Android device. So friends, before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. So guys, for making a background music you need an app called Music Maker Jam, which is available in the Play Store and which is absolutely free. So I have provided a link in the description, you can check it and download it from there. So after installing this app, you will see such options here: make music, my music, more styles, community. So in more styles you will see here some paid styles, some recommended, on sales or free styles. You can download the free styles here, and you will see in my music here you will see the free styles which you have downloaded will be seen here, and you can also see the projects which you have saved, you can see from here, and also the recordings. So let's start to make music. So you will see such kind of interface here. Here you will see all options are available here. So you will see on right side here is a volume, you can increase your volume, and here downside you will see click on the plus sign, and here you will see all your hip hop styles and Valiant tunes. These are my two styles which I have downloaded. So you can check the download instruments, you can choose anyone and you can also play it. You can choose here downside, there are 8 boxes in which you can choose the different styles for making in music. So choose different instruments for better music and play all the instruments at once.
That's right. That's
You
right.
can use the vocals available there and use the different instruments for the different combination of the music. So for making a better music, use different instruments for a better background music. Here on the left side you will see here 4 options you will see, so you can also make a use of it. So here it is which you can give an effect here using this option. Just click on the effects and here you will see it gives the effects for your background music. So there are also another options like this. You can also change the alphabets for changing the tune of your music here and play it, and you can see it that your music gets changed with the different combinations of the tune. And at the last of this option here you will see here you can record your voice for the different instruments here. And on the right side you will see here you can repeat the all parts or instruments in your music, and you can repeat whole music here from using this option. And downside you will see you can save your background music by recording option. So here your background music is starts recording. You can see the time here, and you can check your background music is ready. So using this music maker jam application you can make a beautiful music on your Android phone, and you can use this music for different videos. So guys, if you have any queries, please tell me in the comment section so I can tell you there. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe so I can bring some easy and simple tech and tricks in further video tutorial. So thanks for watching, take care.